Morning guys, Jerry here, NXTGEN Graphics, mobile detailing, and today we're doing a big nice Silverado high country, big nice ride. Starting with the outside first this morning. Normally we do the inside first, but starting with the outside, and so I can start polishing, get the ceramic coat. So I'm gonna go ahead and start polishing while they're clean on the inside, and getting her all pre-rinsed. Got her pre-soap on there. Bug removal. Got a new guy today, Jacob. Hi, Jake. Alright, so trying him out, see how he does. We might like him. Hopefully he'll take over the business and do great things. We got Jacob working on tires, new ends, iron spraying off. We got 4 matches soaking. They're pretty dirty and grungy. You get Jacob on those as soon as he gets in, I'll start scrubby dirty. So Jake's clay barn. Got our lubricant up there, our special mix. And Jake's getting rid of, make sure you get that front edge good just for bugs and stuff. Make sure we got everything off there. There you go.
What's the glass window up here?
You can hit it, it'll be just fine, yeah. And you can do this window too if you want to.
Okay.
Aaron's rinsing off where I clay barred over here. I got this side done. So it should look a lot cleaner now. And then we'll be drying it off. And I'm gonna start polishing and they're gonna start working on the inside. Paint correction polished, and it's cleaned up here. Fixing to put the ceramic coating on it. Looking good, good and shiny. Looking good, looking good. Aaron's grooming the tires. Jake's learning. Jake knows how to do it, don't you, Jake? Alright, so ceramic coating. Use Armor Shield 9, I guess it is. Ceramic, nano ceramic coating. Save the box, we'll give him the box. Applicator. Save that. Don't ever throw that away. There it is. It's pretty good stuff. We like it.
Alright, instructions.
Comes with,
Wash, clay bar, polish.
we did. So it comes with 3 of these. And these go over the, this is a little applicator pad. And that's why I said save the card.
That's how you put it. That the card is to put it in the crack.
Yep. So you're gonna put it like this, and then you tuck it
Easier said than done.
Yeah. Tuck it right in there. It's like a pair of underwear. And that's your applicator pad. And it comes with 3 of these little cloths, so in case you mar one up or something, but that's pretty much how you do it. You take the liquid and get it good and wet. Go in your crosshatch pattern. Somebody comes behind you buffing off. They also send you this nice little pretty rag to buff off with. So we're gonna get to it. And outside you're gonna have to dust off the panel, ceramic coated panel, buff it out, and move to the next one because doing it outside, it's a nice overcast day, so we're gonna try to get it on there pretty quick. So I use this rag to get all the dust and stuff out. Ready to go. You ready?
It says once fully coated, allow 1 to 2 hours, and then optionally repeat the process to add additional layers.
Yep.
After applying,
My gloves. And they come with a pair of rubber gloves. This is cool. Jake,
What?
you awake back there?
Yeah.
Okay. We never know if Jake's awake or not. So we like Armor Shield. We put it on a couple cars. It's good stuff. So let me see. Just a good coating on there to get it good and wet, and then it don't take much after that.
actually it says liberally, put it on liberally. Frequently.
You can smell it.
Oh yeah, that's a sit.
Rainbows. It's rainbow on that. That's it. Go for it.
What I was looking for.
Huh?
I don't know what I was looking for.
See the rainbow?
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see it on camera. See that rainbow? Taste the rainbow. It's flashed out, so it's time to rub, buff it off. How slick is that, Aaron?
Slick.
Sleek. And it smells. Whew. I hate to use this inside a garage somewhere. Whew. It'd be rough. Heck no, dude. That looks so good. The whole door's done, Aaron, so. Yep, that looks good. Like that?
Yeah.
Ooh, we made a Tik-Tok. I don't even know what that is. Alright, there we go.
I use this whole thing for the whole truck.
Yeah. No touchy, Jake. No touchy.
No touchy.
Touchy, Jake. All the time wanting to touch something, Jake.
It's a problem.
Well, you're gonna be famous, Jake. Just want you to know that.
Alright. It's about time I get my
About
shot.
time, huh? Get some recognition.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Then I wait till it flashes, then I wipe it down with this, and then go back to this.
Yep.
I got it.
So Aaron and Jacob's getting the roof. I'm too short. I can't reach it. Look at that gloss, boy. This looks so good. So good. And I don't believe you'll get much shinier than that. I mean, it just looks fantastic. And we got the insides all cleaned up. Looking good. I'm gonna get us a good thumbnail picture here. So, and just like that, we got our greased up. Ceramic coating, gloss is fantastic on there. Chrome shined up, wheels shined up, looking good. Windows clean. Yeah, man. So, armor shield, it's good stuff. We like it. Goes on good. Very easily applicated. Jake, what do you think? How was that?
I think it looks great.
Wasn't bad, was it?
It was wonderful.
All right, so catch you on the next one.